Hi, and welcome back to PR Tech Talks, and to this quick tip number 10. And we are looking at bookmarks and how to use it effectively so to navigate in your project. When you are in a project, you might want to put code in different places in your project, and ST has defined special place for you using user code begin and user code end, where you should normally put your code in to prevent it from being overwritten if you regenerate it from CubeMX. So for instance, if you are going to use user code begin 4, then you need to scroll down and you can then go through it and you don't find it. Then you can find it using Control F, user code begin 4, and there you find it. But there is an easier way. So if you once have found it, you go out here in the paragraph and you right click on it and you hit add bookmark. And you give it a name, and that is usefully, so I use that one. But you can also then add more. So I've, for instance, use my 0, use there, so I put add bookmark there. And the normal other section is 2, so I add bookmarks there also. Great, so now we have added bookmarks, so we can see that there are small signs out here. But how do we then easily find them? Well, you go under Window and you go under Show View. And in my case, I need to go under Others, and there we have bookmarks. And if you take a look here in Project Explorer, as soon as I click Open here, you get a new tab. So the old tab is still there, but now you have a new tab. So if I now want to go fast to the Beginner 4 section, I just double click there and I'm there immediately. I hope this quick tip number 10 was useful for you and will speed up your coding. If so, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button as well. And if you have some comments to me, please use the comments below. See you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.